How many women police go kill? Look at them. They want to get in. No entrance to this National Assembly. They must come back. If anything they happen, make everybody go stay here. They will not say we dey for our side. If we know they run after those vehicles, stay. You know, at times some people don't know how to deal with when something happens suddenly. Please, let's be careful, okay? But clap for yourself. Well done. Great Nigerian women. You know, we almost had an incident day before yesterday. Yes. People were running after vehicles. I see people again try to ban for vehicles. You cannot do that. If you are here, in it's very important. I saw some 2 little children running after the vehicles. Where did they come from? Please, whoever brought them, take them from this ground. You know, we say people have come here. Some people came here for different reasons. Yes. Some people came here and stole phones, isn't it? Yes. We have people with different reasons. We have been here. This is day 8. We don't want to lose any life. You don't run after people with guns. We ask you, stay behind us. Nobody will yes, stay behind. Don't move forward. I saw some women, even a woman carrying the baby, running after them. What are you running for? What are you waiting for? Is somebody hold on for you, waiting for you? Ladies, we need to be responsive. More responsive. We know, we say stand there. Nothing will happen. Nobody will come. You know, a lot of them come with so much force. They say, who be these women? Yes. We take our time and we will show them who they are, who we are. Yes. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to run after anybody. Nobody is entering the gate. So respect yourself so that we can avoid the loss of life. We want to congratulate you. Any anything, if we lose a life, there will be problem for us. It's going to be more problem. You can see ordinary phone, I would say ordinary phone. God lost, we didn't have rest of mind until we replace the phones. Because we believe that no sister should live here with bitterness. Yeah. One of our sisters who lost the palm top, we are still looking for her, so that we can see a way of compensating to her. But don't run after. You know what people do? Once they see a sign, they tell me, this one I noticed it. We are told, you know, a group came to the gate there, we stopped them. Because this venue, we don't have space for another person, only Nigerian women. We go occupy. And when we explain to them, they say they want to enter here, say they want to meet one organ, no one telling them, now the organ ain't come now. Say 3 o'clock, we go there, National Assembly. I say, no, be this way, I go enter. We stop them there. It didn't take more than 4 of us to talk to them, and they went back. Where should they go to? They went. Wherever they went to, nobody is going to.
Can the guy do it?
And I told them,
so that we have
no
like
matter who it is, that person will not pass.
Without the
so let's stand together.
So just pray for all of us like our
I think that's what we should have done.
Thank you for rising up. We see another person again who will rise.
Remember that they started the other one and you are perfect.
When you hear that
one that you did before.
The one they sent me is that green one.
That's what I'm saying. You shouldn't have worked with it.
See the
You should have given us another one that is fine.
We see stay here.
So nobody can. Because we are waiting for you to make the final.
Okay, so we need to bring 4 of that. That's okay.